Hello, students. Welcome to Mystery in Chemistry's Tips and Tricks series. Understanding chemistry and scoring high in examination are two different things and hence require different set of skills. Let us learn some tips and tricks to help you score 100 out of 100 in chemistry. So the 11th tip is simply focus and concentrate on what you know during the examination. You will invariably come across a question that completely stumps you out and can easily derail your time management. It can be a multiple choice question, a numerical problem, a short or long answer question, anything that you just cannot deal with right now. The only way is to move on. Focus on what you know during the examination. But how? Students have all kind of doubts and uncertainties on the examination day. Almost everyone feels some kind of tension or nervousness on that day. It is important to leave all that outside the examination hall. Here are some tips to focus and concentrate while writing your exam. First one is walk in with a plan. When you have a plan in mind about to tackle the question in question paper, you will see an instant rise in your concentration. Following a plan will make you a lot more focused. Second important point is keep your calm. Concentrating during the exam can become tough due to anxiety and fear. The key is not to panic. When you cannot give an answer to any question, calmly move on to the next question. Panic can cause mistakes in easy answers too. Next, drink water. Take a water bottle in the examination hall. Water energizes and refreshes the nerve links. Take a sip in between your exam to restore your concentration. Then take a watch. It is a piece of basic advice, but very important. It keeps you focused on the time limit for each question. Moreover, you can work efficiently and follow your plan. And the last one is focus on one question at a time. Don't waste energy in thinking about how you did on the last question or how will you do on the next one. To obtain peak performance, you have to put all your concentration into one question at a time. So remember, don't miss out on marks in the rest of the paper because of one or two hiccups. Come back to those tricky questions at the end if time permits. Thank you.